Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's design tip is to use one color in your web page. So, whenever you're designing, it's very tempting to use lots of colors. It's very tempting to me, but my one of my design tip is to use one accent color to make CTAs and important information pop. And for the rest of the page, just use neutral color schemes, white, gray, black, to ensure that the main thing that you want to use is to focus on pops. So here it is at every scale. Get started and this offers. That's the most important part. Everything else is important, but not that much. Everything else is I've increased the font size of this. I've added a black neutral gray, very light grayish buttons for these buttons. But this is not important. This is the most important button here. This is the most important text. This is the most important subtext. So reduce the colors. Don't add like lots of colors, but add one color which is strategic and it's used for emphasis. For example, in this table, it's tempting to use green for this, but we already have a good magenta color here, and we can use that. So it's cohesive. All my designs try to use mostly one or two colors. It's different for icons. Icons can have multiple colors. It looks good with multiple colors, but most of the time my designs will have mostly gray and one color or two colors to add emphasis. So for here there's no color except for the icons. The icons is adding a splash of color, so I skipped a whole color altogether. For here I have added blue as the main color and green as like second color, but everything else is gray, black, both black or gray. So yeah, use one color as much as possible, and yeah, you will have a great time while designing. That's it for today. Bye bye.